A new force in precision agriculture has arrived. Introducing the EAVision J150. Featuring a 70-liter spray tank and redesigned dual impeller pumps capable of delivering nearly 40 liters per minute. Its fourth-generation centrifugal nozzles deliver full flow from 30 to over 500 microns, all adjustable at the touch of a button. With high-output LiDAR and 3 active radar arrays, the J150 flies at up to 50 kilometers per hour, maintaining precise obstacle avoidance and terrain following that's unmatched in its class. Upgraded motors and ESCs keep the J150 performing all day long, even in the heat of summer. The 45,000 milliamp-hour battery delivers up to 12 minutes of flight time. The new 12,400-watt smart charger fully recharges batteries in just 9 minutes. Quad high-capacity fans keep everything cool, and Bluetooth connectivity lets you monitor charge levels remotely. The redesigned remote controller is more robust, ergonomic, and reliable than ever before. Intelligent frequency hopping ensures a strong signal, even when flying multiple drones. And if your connection drops, built-in 4G keeps you online and in control. When every hectare counts, the J150 delivers the power, accuracy, and performance you need right in your hands.